If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay students, I welcome you all to once again in lecture 34 of this switchgear protection series. So with continuation with our transformer protection, today we will see different types of three-phase transformer connections possible and what are its phasor diagram. So it will be important for us to connect it for differential protection scheme. So in three-phase connections, the three-phase transformer connections, the possible connections are, first I have considered a star-star connection. So that means that my primary is also star, secondary is also star. So I have considered a primary turn NP, secondary turn NS, and a turn ratio of NP by NS, that is A:1. The A:1 is the turn ratio, that is voltage ratio. So current ratio will be 1:A. So I am considered about the currents, both side currents, because my CT will be sensing currents. So I want to think how both side currents will look like. That's it. So if I see, if you can see, there are I have considered A, B and C. I always considered it in this fashion: first A, then it is B, then it is C. So A, then B, then it should C. So because if it is rotating anti-clockwise, first A should come, then B will come, then C will come. So a person is sitting here, so he will see first A, then B, then C. Because it is rotating, I always assume it. It is standard to assume it in anti-clockwise direction. You always assume it in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so I have considered it A, then B, then C. These are the dot polarities you can see. So current is entering to dot. So here current should going out of this dot, because here it is entering, so it should out. So that's why it is out. The capital notation is for primary side, and small notation, small a, small b, small c for secondary notation. Now you can see the current is here IA. You have to think of transformer. You have to think between these two winding, the ratio between two winding. So the whatever the ratio I am saying, that is the ratio between these two winding currents, not what is happening outside. It doesn't take care of that. The ratio doesn't take care of that. That you have to calculate. Either outside it is delta connected or star connected, that we will see. So it will take care of only what is current flowing here. Similar current of that ratio multiplied by will be flowing through that. But that's it. Rest thing will be taken care of by the connection itself. So here the current IA is flowing here. So here an IA will come out. But that's it. So now you see your connection is a simple connection. So same current is flowing out. So your IA, small IA will be equal to, you can see, it will be A into, ratio is here A. So A into capital IA. So as you can see here, the connection is simple. So your small IA, that is secondary current, is A times of your IA current. So there is no phase shift between these two current. You can see this current, that is my CT will be sensing this current, and here CT will be sensing in this current. So between these two current there is no, because I will connect my CT here, and here also I will connect my CT here. So it will be sensing these currents only, not the current inside the winding. That we have to think. But here it is same, because it is connected in star. So these two currents, if you see, there is no phase shift. There is no phase shift means line currents in both sides are in same phase. That is no angle difference. Only the magnitude will differ because that of your turn ratio. That's it. So you make note of this one, and similar observation you can make for delta-delta connections also. You will see there is no change in the currents in this line. There is no shift between this current and this current. Whatever the phase it is, these two will be same. There will be no phase difference. Same means in terms of phase angle. Okay, now if I connect it, now another connection is possible, either star delta or delta star. So if I take one, then another one you can easily think. So now I have considered a star delta. Okay, let me zoom it. Star delta. So with a turn ratio of A, same, NP is to NS. Now this side is star, again you can see IA, IB, IC. Now this side there is delta. So delta, in case of delta, you can connect it in, I have connected in here in this way. This winding I have taken here. So you have to keep these windings. How we will connect the delta? Let me show it in a blank space. Suppose you have a star connection of this format. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Now if you want to connect it in delta, so you keep A as it is. Then you can take C this side, and you can take B this side. So it is A, it is C, it is B. So you can connect it in this way. Sir, now we can say, sir, we can connect it in different also. A here, then B here, then C here. You can connect it in on this also. That is also okay. You can take these three terminals out. You can take these three terminals out. So in both way, the delta connection is possible. In delta, So your connections is possible. So that depends on how you connect. But the standard way we connect it, you see, suppose I have a, now how we'll connect it physically. It is drawing. So physically, suppose you have 3 winding. Now to connect it delta, one possibility, this is suppose A1, A2, B1, B2, 2 sides of B coil and 2 sides of C coil, C1, C2. Now the standard convention is to connect this, and then to connect this and this. So this goes out, this goes out, this goes out. So you can see there is a relation between A and C. A and C are connected. So the terminal that I am taking current IA, that is, who is connected here? A and C. So that's why, and when we are connected in B terminal I am taking out, what is connected here? B and A. And if C is connected, what it is? It is connected C2 and B1. So C and B. So the reverse way also you can do. What is the reverse way? So one can connect it in this way also. Sir, I will connect it in this way. Okay, that is also okay. There is no issue. And then you can take this out. So check these both connections. So both connections are possible in delta. But here the output, A output is connected between A and B phase. So what is given in the drawing, that is the standard one. What is the standard one? The earlier one, that is A and C are connected. So if my star is something like this, and I am treating this is A, this is B, this is C. So what will be my standard? A will be this one, and then C I will connect it, because the coil shape you have to keep it as it is. This angle, the angle here you can see this way the C coil is, so C should be in this way only. So that is my intention. You cannot change the directions where it is connected. So it will be better if you keep it as it is. Then B is here. So now you can see if I take this terminal out, A and C are connected. And if I take this one, then, and if I take these two. So if I take these two, B and A, you remember the earlier connections? This was my connections. Physical connection. So this is the standard connection. So this terminal is A and C. You can see this is C, this is B, and this is A. So you can see A and C are connected here. So here you can see A and C are connected. So okay, now you can got the idea how to draw this connection. Now one more. Just suppose this is my connection. This is the last time I am drawing A, because this is very important. That's why I am drawing it again and again. So how does this will look like in physically? This will be an A coil, this will be your C, and this will be your B. So you will take this one as a terminal, and you will take, so you can see here it is B and A are connected. So this is your B terminal, and this is your C terminal. So this is the way I will show it in delta. Now if we connect it reverse way, then how I will show you? Suppose if I connect it now in this way, this, and this, and this is my A, this is my B, this is my C. You can do it, but this is not standard packaging. Now how it will be? Now it will be your A, then it will be your B, then it will be your C. You can see B was in this shape. This was your star connection. So it was A, then B, then C. So A is as it is, B, then C. So it is delta is shifted from this side to this side. Now if you take this one as A terminal, now you can see your A terminal is A and B are connected. You can see here A and B are connected, and your B terminal is B and C are connected. So it is your B, and this will be your C. A and C are connected. So both way is possible, but the standard one is the earlier one. So I have considered the standard one. So you can see here. So you always remember whatever the formula I am giving, that is by considering the standard convention. So if you change or in the question, if it is a tricky question, they have changed the connection, then you have to draw the connection and you have to check whether the angle shifting what I am giving is same or not. So what I have considered here you can see this is my A, then how it will be, C should be something like that, so C, and B should be something like so B. And what is the standard? Standard was between A and C, the A terminal, and this is between B and A is B terminal and C terminal. So now if you take the current here, now if I want to see the currents, so here it is IA current, okay, so it is IA current. So what is the corresponding phase here? This is the corresponding phase for this one, A phase. So here it will be A into IA, that multiplied by IA, that's it. What is current is flowing here? C. So corresponding C is here A into IC. Now what will be the direction? Because C is entering here, so through this dot it should come out. So this is the connection of IAC. Here through this dot it is entering, so what will be the connection of this? So it should go out. So if I take KCL here at this node, what will be the current? IA is coming, IC is going, so net current will be IA minus IC. So you can see if I calculate my IA here, so it will be IA minus IC. A is multiplied because A is the factor. So A into IA minus IC. So if you see here, now I think you can draw what is the IA minus IC. If I draw the phasor diagram for IA, what will be our IA minus IC? So this is by IA, this is IB, this is IC. So it is minus IC, so you take a minus IC, then you add. Because it is IA plus minus IC you can write. So this is the vector. So you can see this is 30 degree lagging. And it is multiplied by root 3 times. You know the line voltage or line currents magnitude, it is 30 degree multiplication. And angle, in case of voltage, the standard is phase voltage will lead the line voltage will lead the phase voltage by an 30 degree. And here the reverse is saying, in case of current, the standard notation is, again I am saying standard, because for voltage what is the standard? If it is A, if it is B, C, what is the standard? AB voltage. Line voltage means AB, then BC, then CA. So for AB, if you take AB summation, this will be this one. So it is leading. And for current, you can see here that what is the standard? AC current is the standard current. That is IA current I am taking. That is the line I am taking. So there is a difference between how we see. So in the voltage, if they see what is the BA voltage, so BA is also a line voltage, but it is not AB voltage. This is BA voltage. So it will be lagging the phase voltage because BA will lie here. I hope I am not confusing you. So for voltage and current, it is for voltage you have already learned that line voltage leads the phase voltage by an angle of 30 degree. That is for standard AB, BC, CA. Similarly for current, if it is a standard, the drawing, both way I have shown, the first way is the standard one, then the line current will be lagging the phase current by an angle of 30 degree. That's it. So that's why it is 1.32 at an angle of minus 30. Similarly your IB, similarly your IC. So you can see, now what is my observation? There is a phase shift of 30 degree. So in case of star delta or delta star, there will be a phase shift of 30 degree between these two currents. What current? The currents that C2 will measure. My C2 will measure this current here, and this here C2 will measure. So between these two currents, there will be a phase shift of 30 degree between star delta or delta star, and also a root 3 factor will also pop up. One new factor that is coming into the picture, that is root 3. One similar observation you can make for delta star configuration also I am not showing, but I am giving a standard formula you can remember. Again what I am saying, this formula is not strictly to be followed, but this is standard one. It depends on connection. If your connections are standard connection, then you can use this one. If in the question they change the connection, they give a transformer with different connection with the connection settings there, then you have to cross check it. Like the way I have checked here, you have to check here. Like the way I have checked here, you have taken KCL here. Got it? So in that case, because here if I considered this case, suppose if my delta is on this fashion, A, B, C, then what will be this current? IA, it will be IA minus IB. It would have been IA minus IB. In that case, my phase line current would have been leading the phase voltage. Not minus 30, it would have been plus 30 if delta is in this side. So it depends, okay, on the connections. So the standard connection is this one, that's why I am showing this one. So from delta side, if you want to go to star side, how you will remember it? This is the reverse of your voltage standard. What is voltage standard? Line voltage leads phase voltage by 30 degree, that's you know, but the reverse will happen here. In current it will be just reverse. So if your primary, if it is delta, secondary it is star. So you can think of you are going from line to phase, because here it is line, your C2 will be measuring line, and here your C2 will be measuring, you can say, the phase. So line to phase means there will be a 30 degree shift. So you can say it in this way. So normally if we go line to phase in voltage, that lags 30 degree. So in current it will lead 30 degree, standard connection. And if you go from phase to line, from start to delta you are going, you can think of I am going from phase to line in terms of current you think. Okay. So in star I was in phase current, now I am going in line current. So in voltage it is leading, in current it is minus 30. And if you can think, if from phase to you are going line, so you will root 3 multiplied. Here from line you are going to phase, so root 3 you divide. 0.577 is nothing but 1 by root 3, that is 1 by 1.732, that is your root 3. So So you can see now the primary and secondary currents are different. The primary and secondary currents are different. So for the primary of CT in both sides, so you will be connecting CT in both sides. Here also you will connect in CT. There is a suppose I am here also you will connect a CT. Here also you will connect a CT. So what is the primary of CT? This line, the line on which it is this is the primary for it, and the line here it is. This is the primary. There are two CTs. So for this CT, what is the primary? This one is secondary. Primary is this one. This line on which it is sitting. The line itself is the primary of that. Here also this is the line. So this line and this line currents are different. So the primary of CT in both the transformers will sense different current. Now you can feel it. So therefore my CT ratios and connections to be such that under normal condition or external fault condition, they should match. They should match. You can see here. The CT ratios and connections have to be such that the CT secondary current should match a normal and external fault in differential protection scheme, because differential protection scheme should not trip for normal and external fault. In case of normal and external fault, the current that is coming from both the sides through the secondary of the CT should be equal, and the connection will be such a way there is a no phase shift, nothing is there. Okay, I think that's all for today. We are keeping it. Next day we will try to implement percentage bias differential protection, how the CTs will connect. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.